Okay, Mr. Morris, time now for this hour's car
Well,
review.
I got plenty of time now. I can do this.
The 2023 Kia Telluride.
Wow.
Yeah.
You did a lot of research on that one, didn't you?
He got way involved. So we're talking about the 2023
No,
Kia.
you're going to talk
I'm
about
going
it.
to talk about the 2023 Kia Telluride that was first introduced in 2020. Now, it comes in 5 trim levels, but if you count the 2 new for 2023 sub-trims, you're actually looking at about 10. We'll run this by you real quick. Starts with the LX, the S, the EX, the EXX line, the SX, the XXX line, the
That'd be the
Prestige,
triple X.
the X Pro V6, all-wheel drive.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Doo-dah, doo-dah. And we happen to be driving the SX Prestige X Pro V6 all-wheel drive. That's the official name of it across the Monroney.
Wow.
So you can get
around the back.
around the rack. It's a wrap around. So you can get these vehicles in either a 7 or 8 passenger. We happen to have the 7 passenger model. It is a 3-row mid-size SUV, which so it had the captain's chairs in the second row. We happen to have the midnight blue one. So it had because it's the X Pro, it had a lot of exterior stylings that go along with that. A lot of blacked out touches on it.
Is it like off-road? Is that what it was?
No, not really.
Okay.
No. So, it's got some more of a performance, not necessarily off-road, but more of a performance. Got a lot of blacked out features on it. The grille, a lot of the trim. Had some
It's an appearance package.
Yes. 18. Well, it's more than that. It's got black 18-inch alloy wheels. The standard wheel is a 20-inch, but this package comes with an 18, which seemed kind of backwards, but it also makes it ride a whole lot better. Got a smart power lift gate. It's got heated folding side mirrors, dual sunroofs, LED headlighting. It's got all that stuff on the outside of it. On the inside, now it gets into where it had the Napa leather interior, but it had the terracotta color, which going with that blue, that's it in the pictures there, going up against that blue is a really nice color combination, I thought. Mm-hmm. First row bucket seats, heated, ventilated. Second row bucket seats are also heated and ventilated. Then you have a folding rear seat, third row, that is the 60/40. Got dual panoramic 12.3-inch displays. One of them is for the driver. The other one's got where you're going to get all your navigation, your convenience controls in the center stack. Got a digital rear view camera that works really nice. Harman Kardon premium audio system. Got a lot of technology with a wireless charger. Got USB. The USB ports for the rear seat, instead of being down on the floor at the back of the console, they're on the side panel of the seat right in front of you. It's just about eye level, very easy to find and get to. That was a really nice touch that really stood out. The other thing that really stood out, if you look at the instrument panel, if you go look at your car, you're going to see here's your speedometer and here's your tach on the left. Well, this one's got the speedometer on the left and the tach's on the right. Couldn't tell you why. That just seemed to bother me. I just wanted to mention that. Up under the hood to make all this thing go.
To bother you.
Yes, it did. So up under the hood, it's a 3.8-liter gas V6, 291 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque, backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. Properly equipped, this vehicle will tow 5,500 pounds, which I was impressed by that number. Now, the EPA says in the city you should be looking for about 18, on the highway 24, and combined 21 miles to the gallon. This is in a 4,400-pound vehicle. Now, I got 18.8 miles to the gallon over 404.4 miles. And I want to say that driving this vehicle over that range, it's got a nice quiet cabin. There's minimal road noise. The seats are really comfortable, particularly if you're going out on the highway a lot. And there's plenty of room for family, and the technology's there for the family as well. Now, the base price on a Telluride is $52,955. Now, because of the sub-trims, the way they've got it packaged together, you don't really have a lot of options. Now, our as-tested price, I think that is $55,120. So that's only about a $3,000 package difference there. But there's a lot of content difference there, but it's because of the way they've done the trim packages and the sub-trims. Now, a base model LX Telluride is $35,890. So if you go look at the Honda Pilot base at $36,300, or a Hyundai Palisade at $35,900, or even a Volkswagen Atlas at $34,600, they're all right there in that mid-size range with 3 rows available. But if I was going to go look at these, I have a tendency to look really hard at this one based on my experience in it for the week. And that's my review of the 2023, let me get it right, Kia Telluride SX Prestige X Pro V6 all-wheel drive vehicle.
Wow. I need it.